In this video, you are going to see how to put the grid line over a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us insert this picture from my computer. Click on Insert. Then the image will be inserted. If you want to crop it, just click on over here, crop it and crop it like this. I am increasing the picture size. Now go to Insert, go to Table. Let us choose a 3x3 table and adjust it using this point. Now go to Table Design, go to Shading, make it No Fill, and go to Border, click on All Border. And here you will see I have added the black border. If you want to change the border size, go to over here and make it 3 point and again click on border. Then the border size will be changed. If you want to change the border color, go to the pen color and choose the white color. Again click on the border. Then the border color will be removed and this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.